Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. Today we're checking out the best mini dash cam, a compact yet powerful device that keeps your drive safe and recorded in stunning detail. Whether you're commuting or taking a road trip, this dash cam has you covered. Let's get started. Meet the Viofo A119 V3 Mini Dash Cam. This little gadget is designed to capture everything happening on the road with incredible clarity. It records in Quad HD Plus quality, giving you 2560 by 1600p or 2560 by 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second. That means every sign, license plate, or unexpected moment is sharp and easy to see. One of the standout features is its Sony Starvis image sensor. Coupled with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, it gives excellent night vision while keeping a broad view of the road. Low-light driving becomes much safer because every detail is clear, whether it's streetlights, headlights, or dimly lit intersections. The Viofo A119 V3 also has an advanced parking mode. You get three options: auto event detection, buffered parking mode, and low bitrate recording. This ensures that even when your car is parked, crucial events like bumps or accidents are captured, giving you peace of mind while you're away. With the GPS logger, this dashcam records your location, speed, and route, embedding all this data into your videos. It's perfect for reviewing trips, sharing your journey, or even resolving disputes after an incident. You can easily check the recordings on your phone or computer. The A119 V3 has received several upgrades over previous models. It now supports SD cards up to 256 gigabytes, offers improved GPS functionality, and has overall performance enhancements. It also supports multiple languages, including English, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Slovenian, Spanish, Turkish, and Dutch, making it accessible to drivers worldwide. In terms of design, the Viofo A119 V3 is sleek and minimalistic. Its compact body fits neatly behind your rearview mirror without obstructing your view. The build feels solid yet lightweight, making it easy to install and practically invisible while driving. In everyday use, this dashcam excels. Whether you're commuting to work, driving through unfamiliar cities, or embarking on long road trips, it captures every moment reliably. Parking incidents, sudden stops, and unexpected events are all recorded, ensuring that nothing goes unnoticed. The Viofo A119 V3 Mini Dashcam is perfect for drivers who value safety, clarity, and reliability. Commuters, road trip enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to protect themselves on the road will appreciate its high-resolution footage, night vision, smart parking solutions, and GPS tracking. Impressive, right? Check the price link in the description to grab one for yourself, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart gadgets that make your drive safer and stress-free. Thanks for watching and enjoy safer journeys with the Viofo A119 V3 Mini Dashcam.